Hello, I'm Nanook here, and yeah, you might be surprised that I'm putting a video in this channel. April Fools, and it's actually accurate because I was waiting until April 1st to make this thing, and I'm gonna upload this today, which is April 1st. You might be able to see it. If not, well, yeah, you were looking at that. You were not supposed to look at that. Yeah. So this is. The only reason I'm not putting it in the other channel is because I'm too lazy, and everybody knows my Nanook is too lazy. He's too lazy to make things. But whatever. I used to have a whole box full of these, and I couldn't find them. I checked under my bed and all that stuff, but I couldn't find them. So yeah, so I had to make a new one, and I started with Skydoes Minecraft because he's the best. Go subscribe, go to check his channel, and yeah. Glue. Cool clue. And yeah, so go subscribe to him. He's the best. And yeah, you were looking at this when I started the video, and yeah, these came actually with it. I'm gonna give you, people give a link, but I'm gonna just give you a little secret. You guys want really this bad? Go on Google, check, put whatever you guys, and Venom or whatever you guys want, just put Minecraft. Let's say you want Skydoes Minecraft. Just put Skydoes Minecraft Papercraft, and this will come out. It'll come out. This won't come out with just this, just him, and one will come out with this. I'm gonna recommend you to download with this. It actually came with a butter helmet, but I was trying to make it big, or else it was gonna be this small. And yeah, so I wanted to make it big enough. And it came out with a butter sword, a nothing thingy. It's just a sign, and the butter sword. Everybody knows Sky likes butter. And yeah, it was an April Fool's joke and all that stuff. I said it already. And yeah, but if you guys don't want to go through all the trouble because maybe you guys don't have a printer and all that stuff and all blah blah, just leave your comment. But the time we make 100 of these, because yes, this is gonna make this is gonna be a series. We're gonna be trying to make 100 of these. It's gonna be Notch, and Venom, Minecraft Universe, Jimmy Swift, etc. And yeah, yeah, you might hear that there's nothing. It's silent. Yeah, that's because everybody's upstairs. Yeah. I'm not really actually looking forward to this, to going back to school or whatever. You know when we're gonna go back to school, and I really don't want to go back to school. And yeah, so you guys should make these, and yeah, it's really fun. But what I was also talking before I got off topic is that once we make 100 of these, I'm gonna send them to people. Like, I'm gonna all the 100. I'm gonna put them in a box, send them. And if you live in the borough of Queens, cause I live in the borough of Queens. I'm not gonna tell you my address, but I'm gonna tell you the borough of Queens. And I'm gonna tell you that I live in the borough of Queens. But yeah, so go put the comments in the comments below. You go put, by the time we make 100 of these, put your address and your code wherever you live, and if you live in the borough of Queens, like I said, I'll go to your house and delivering in person. If you go to IS-145 school, I'm gonna give it to you there. And if you live in other boroughs like Flushing, or maybe if you even live in Canada, I hate Justin Bieber. Canada, yeah, I might even send it in a package. I really don't care how much it's gonna cost. I'm just gonna send it to everybody who watches this. Even if they live in Antarctica, I'll pay $100 to send it to you guys. Yeah, and like I said, this came out. Go to Google and put all the stuff there. There's supposed to be a link, but I'm too lazy to put that. And yeah, like I said, there'll be 100 of these things, and I'm gonna make them. But yeah, I'm gonna make these things, and yeah. Sorry I haven't put unquote. Sorry I haven't put my funny videos. It's just that I haven't had time. Like all the summer vacation, I had to be doing homework and all that stuff. Well, today I have free some because I finished and I started making this video. And yes, it's in a blue screen. Blue, 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 blue. And yeah, now let me show you this thing. Maybe in the next video I make of maybe Minecraft Universe, because that's the next guy I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make this, which you have to do it all in cardboard and all that stuff and blah blah blah. And I'm gonna make a diamond chain. You know what diamond. Yeah. And that diamond chain, I'm gonna send it to you guys. Everything we make here, I'm gonna send it to you in the box. So yeah, I'm gonna let my little sister, she's 6. No, she's 7. She's 7. She's gonna pick a person from the comments, and whoever she picks, I'm not gonna tell her. I'm gonna be in the bathroom while she's doing that. And yeah, whoever she picks, I'll send it to you. If you live in the borough of Queens, I'll deliver it to you in person if you want. I'm not gonna go pedal bear on you. That's my other life. I like doing stuff that you don't know. You don't know what I do when I'm bored. You don't know. Tú no sabes. Yeah, I'm Hispanic. So sorry I'm saying yeah too much. It's just that I really don't know what to say right now. It's coming to the end of the video, and we really have nothing else to show but school. I really don't want to go back to school, like I said, and all that stuff. But yeah, now let's show you. My hand, it's so pretty. This one comes with a cape. It also came with a cape, and it's really fun to make. If you guys are too lazy to make like I am, I was lazy to make it, but for you guys I made it, and yeah. It's so majestic butter creature. But yeah, a majestic butter. No, you should not be kissing the sign. You should be kissing your butter sword. The butter. Yeah, as you can see, he's kissing the butter. But yeah. Okay, so thank you for watching. Subscribe. Go subscribe to Sky Does Minecraft. This video was made from Sky Does Minecraft. And yeah. Say goodbye, Sky. Butter. Yeah. So go subscribe to him. Go subscribe to Venom and all that stuff. I've actually had a box, but I didn't want to. I can't find it, so it's not my fault. Yeah, but we're gonna be making 100 of these. Once we make 100 of these, I said the whole story again, so I'm not gonna go back to it. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Like it, favorite, share it, and subscribe. Bye. Bye.